Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for No Man's Sky on the Xbox One. So yeah, never thought I'd be saying that after like 2 years. But yeah, apparently they've done a massive update now, and apparently this is a completely different game now to the one that was released in 2016. So yeah, let's unbox it. So as you can see on the front, we've got 4 people. By the way, this has got online multiplayer now, so that's cool. Yeah, quite looking forward to playing this on the Xbox, to be honest. Should be good. So you got 4K HDR, well, 4K Ultra HD, HDR, and Xbox One X enhanced. So they're on the side, and in the back, your universal weights. Strangely, the install size is like only 8 gig, so yeah, literally the disc, that's it. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of No Man's Sky for the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, I'll catch you later. Cheers, bye bye.